Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating your phone and the messaging app. This reduces compatibility issues. Once updated, open the messaging app and navigate to the conversation where you want stickers. Install a sticker pack from the Play Store or the App Store and make sure to grant any storage or keyboard permissions. Once done, tap the emoji/sticker icon in the message composer to load sticker collections. You're now ready to view and select sticker packs. Move to adding and using them next. Now you add and organize stickers. You open the sticker panel through the emoji button or a plus icon, then download any packs you want. If the app supports management, tap the settings or manage option to reorder favorite packs, remove unused ones, and check for updates. Make sure the keyboard plugin is enabled if you prefer typing to sticker shortcuts. Once organized, tap a sticker to send it or long press to preview and see options like copy, save, or add to favorites. To finish, simply tap any sticker to send it in chat. You can drag over messages to use it as a reaction on some apps. If your platform allows, use the built-in sticker editor or a third-party app to create custom stickers from photos, then import them. If stickers won't send, clear the messaging app cache, check network and permissions, and reinstall the sticker pack or app if needed. If problems persist, restart the phone. This often resolves stuck resources or permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.